Hi, my name's Anika and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a refreshing watermelon and cucumber drink. This is one of the foods that I'm making for Father's Day. I have uploaded the videos of those foods, so please go check those out. Anyways, to make the drink, you will need 1 cup of diced watermelon, 1/4 cup of diced and peeled cucumbers, the juice out of half a lemon, 2 mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and thinly sliced cucumbers as a garnish, mint as a garnish, and a slice of and a slice of watermelon as a garnish too. Now it's time to blend all the ingredients together. So first, the watermelon, then the cucumber. Then I already used a fork to pick out all of the seeds in here, so I just have to squeeze it. Then 2 mint leaves and the honey. And last, the salt. And then we're gonna blend it all together. Now I'm gonna strain the juice so I can get a clear juice. Now it's time to pour the drink in the glass. So I filled my glass about 2/3 of the way with ice. If you don't want to add ice, you can always just add water. Now it's time to decorate it. So first I'm going to add the thinly sliced cucumbers, and I'm wrapping them in a certain way so that it has a pretty design. Now I'm going to add a mint leaf, and I cut a slit here at the end of the watermelon slice, and I'm just going to add that on the side of the glass. Here's the end result of the refreshing watermelon and cucumber drink. I hope you try and make this at home because it only just takes a few minutes to make. This is like I said earlier, this is one of the foods I made for Father's Day, and I have posted those videos, so I hope you check those out. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!